Hello, I am Aditi. Choose the pair that is closest in meaning to the given pair. Syllable and Elysian. The solution is syllable means a unit in pronunciation. Or the way a word is pronounced. Elysian means omission done in a pronunciation. For example, we say, let's do it instead of let us do it. This kind of an omission is called Elysian. The best answer to this question is option number 2, letter and contraction, because the omission done in writing a letter is called contraction. For example, writing let's do it instead of let us do it. U has been suppressed. Therefore, the best combination is letter and contraction. So the correct answer is option number 2. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I am Aditi. Choose the pair that is closest in meaning to the given pair. The question pair is extempore and preparation. The solution is extempore means offhand or without preparation. The closest pair in meaning is option number 2, impromptu and rehearsal, because impromptu is a synonym of extempore. Option number 1, 3 and 4 are irrelevant. Therefore, answer 2 is the best suited option. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I am Aditi. Choose the pair that is closest in meaning to the given pair. The pair in question is effusive and demonstrative. The solution is effusive means showing emotion without restraint. And it is a synonym of demonstrative. The only other pair of synonym in the 4 options is downcast or dejected, which means looking down, looking downwards, feeling despondent, or sad. Therefore, the correct answer is answer number 1. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I am Aditi. Choose the pair that is closest in meaning to the given pair. The pair in question is dislike and antipathy. The solution is a strong dislike is called antipathy. Therefore, it is a higher degree of dislike. The only pair that is similar to this is option number 1, fear and phobia. Phobia is a strong sense of fear. Therefore, the correct answer is option number 1. All the other options are not valid. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I am Aditi. Choose the pair that is closest in meaning to the given pair. The pair in question is parasite and mistletoe. The solution is parasite is an organism that lives in or on another living thing. Mistletoe is an example of parasite. A similar pair over here is option number 4, marsupial and kangaroo. Marsupial is an animal which carries its young one in a pouch, and kangaroo is an example of marsupial. All the other options are not correct and irrelevant. Therefore, the correct answer is option number 4. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे.